Hello guys, Plenty here. Today I will be reviewing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, which I'm recording on right now. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, we are now filming on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's pretty good for e-biking, that's what I can say. We're using the wide mode right now, and yeah, you can see some footage over here. About the price, it's $350, but you don't have any mounts with that. And if you want the adventure bundle with also 2 batteries, then that will be, I think, $400. I've got the actually one adventure bundle that was $350. So yeah, okay. So yeah, I also got mounts like for the chest, head and stuff off of a Romanian site called the Mag. You can probably get them off of Amazon for like $20. That's how much I pay for mine. It came with like 6 like sticky mounts, which you can stick onto your helmet, your motorcycle, your e-bike, whatever you want. And it's actually pretty cool. And I got them really cheap. Like there were a lot of stuff like selfie sticks and something that surprised me about this specific camera is the battery life, which is 3 hours. So that's really great. Really good. 3 hours, I mean, for real. And that's at 4K 60, which is what format I'm filming at right now. Oh my god. My suspension cannot keep up with this. If you guys are curious, I'm on the DJI X20 electric bike, recording with a chest mount. I'm also with my friend over here, Eric, but I kind of left him behind, so I can tell you guys some stuff about the battery. To be fair, you don't really need multiple batteries, only if you film it like 4K 120, but who does that? Like for real, for e-bike content, 4K 60 or actually 4K 30 is more than enough. Well, that's a pretty good jump from there. I kind of saw a jump. I will try it later. So yeah, it's really good. A really good action camera, but the price isn't that good. A lot of people say, oh, it's not that expensive. Yes, it is. It is expensive. Whoa, I'm on the road? That's crazy. Anyway. Okay, we're now at the jump. We are hitting it with, or at least I hope we're hitting it. Let's see. Whoa, that was cool, but I didn't hit it really fast because... Oh, Kato! Meow! Let me pet you. Kitty. I don't think he wants to be pet. I expect his choice. Or, do you want to be pet? Kitty. Oh, you're friendly, Mr. Meow Meow. Oh, look at Mr. Meow Meow over here. He's so cute. Say hi, Mr. Meow Meow. Okay, bye. Have a nice day, Kato. How is the DJI comparing to other cameras? The reality is, I haven't really tried other cameras. Only a GoPro 10 I have tried, but it was not mine. But this absolutely cooks the GoPro 10. From what other reviewers said, it also cooks the GoPro 13. But I do not have experience in that, so I'm not saying anything which I don't have experience in, because that's not okay at all. You never should say things that you don't have experience in, that they are good or bad. Also, I heard the Insta360H2 beats it, but the Insta360H2 is way more expensive. I think it's $500 or something. Also, the GoPro is more expensive too. So this is actually kind of a budget pick, but this is not budget, as I said, guys. It's $350, but still, I think the GoPro is like $450 or something like that. I'm not sure, but the idea is this camera has pretty good value compared to other cameras. But it's still expensive. That's how action cameras are. If you want to get in the scene, you need at least $350 to buy that camera, or maybe $370 because you also need some mounting stuff. This also has an app called DJI Mimo, which can edit, remove selfie sticks and stuff. It's basically the same thing that the Insta360 app does. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video a bit because my friends want to show me something. My friend also showed up over here. He doesn't have any action camera, but I sometimes lend out my DJI to him. You should also subscribe to him. His channel will be linked in the description. Woo! He is riding one of my old Range Pro. This used to be mine, but now it's his. Well, I didn't have that much battery either. Yo, there's a school bus over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go riding over here because it's really cinematic. Yeah. And so this is how it looks in 4K 30. It looks, goddamn, 4K 60. It looks really good. As I said, it also has really good stabilization. Right now we're on the Rocksteady because Rocksteady Plus absolutely kills the storage and also the battery. Yeah, also you kind of need some external storage and also a good PC to be able to edit this. So don't buy the camera first, buy the PC first. I did all my videos on a Mac Mini M4. It's a really good value PC. It's $500, but it's sold out almost everywhere because of the RAM shortage and the AI crisis. That's another thing to be spoken about. This is not for this channel. But it's really a really good camera with really good stabilization, and it's also really durable. I've also been underwater with it. It also survives underwater pretty easily. And also the reason that I made this review is because I wanted, before I buy this camera, a review by an e-biker like me, or I don't know, some guy that rides the surron. I don't really care, but the idea is I really wanted a review especially made from an e-biker, so I can know if this is actually good. And yes, this is actually good for content creation, really good. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, blah 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 if this helped you out, and have a good day or night.